Hey, this is John with Mopar Restoration Parts. Today we're going to put a 71 Gull Wing from Stripes Classics on my 1971 Dodge Challenger Convertible. As you can see, this trunk lid was already made for the wing brackets. Some trunk lids aren't. These have the holes where you stick the clips in, and these are the braces basically that hold the bottom of the wing, give it support. This is a pretty decent wing. It's pretty light, but it's durable, made of ABS plastic. Comes with all the parts and nice solid feet. I'll get this drilled and put it on, and we'll show you the results. Okay, so I just finished the installation of the 71 Gull Wing on this 1971 Challenger Convertible. There were no formal instructions in the package from Stripes Classics, but it's pretty basic. When you install it, the holes have to be drilled center, and then the cap nuts go in there to support the wing through this bracket, and there's a little nut on the back side that goes against the trunk lid itself. But these were pretty easy to install. The biggest thing is drilling the holes in the trunk lid. You measure twice, drill once. But this is how she looks. And okay, last but not least, this makes the trunk heavier. So if you want to adjust this trunk lid so that it doesn't slam shut and still opens, there's a spring adjustment here, and we'll get into that maybe in another video. It's kind of tough to do, but with a few simple tricks, it makes it a lot easier. So anyway, like the video if you like it, and follow me if you can, and we'll continue with more tips and tricks and upgrades on this 1971 Challenger Convertible.